Saint Thomas, Hidipi, Saint Thomas. Saint Thomas, Hidipi, Saint Thomas.
It's a festive day, waiting for this day. We hope that all your troubles face away. This joyful time has finally now begun. We're glad you're here to join in all the fun. So let your voice be happy, clear and loud. Welcome, welcome, we sing happy and loud. Cheer for everyone, we make some noise. Our friendship starts here with welcoming voice. We hope you feel at home in every place. You'll see a smile on every happy face. We want your visit here to be the best. Come put your worries finally to rest. So let your voice be happy, clear and loud. Welcome, welcome, we sing happy and loud. Cheer for everyone, we'll make some noise. Our friendship starts here with welcoming voice. The memories we make will stay with you. We hope you know that all we say is true. So let the music fill the air this day. Come, let the good sounds happily lead this way. So let your voice be happy, clear and loud. Welcome, welcome, we sing happy and loud. Cheer for everyone, we'll make some noise. Our session starts here with welcoming voice. Saint Thomas, Hidipi, we welcome you. Saint Thomas, Hidipi, we welcome all of you. So let your voice be happy, clear and loud. Welcome, welcome, we sing high and loud. Cheer for everyone, we'll make some noise. Our friendship starts here with welcoming voice.